The graduating cohort exclusively admitted national senior officers, 44 from Rwanda Defense Force and 3 from Rwanda National Police due to COVID-19 pandemic. As a consequence, we missed the diversity brought by international blend. Nonetheless, I have the honor to report that the graduates before you have fulfilled the Senior Command and Staff course academic requirements and have successfully completed this course and are thus ready to be conferred upon the Passed Staff Course symbol. To the graduates, I wish to say that graduation signifies the culmination of a year of hard work on your part and is a celebration of your efforts, and I trust that this 1 year transformation experience will resonate with you throughout the duration of your professional and personal life. The college has endeavored to instill in you a body of knowledge and a set of values that prepares you for possible scenarios in your future career. But the true value of your training lies in how you use this training and knowledge for the greater good.
Your Excellency, the final award is the overall Best Students Award. Your Excellency, Lieutenant Colonel Jean-Paul Nyurutama has demonstrated outstanding leadership qualities in different capacities. He manifested exceptional professional knowledge, great team spirit, and radiated confidence, which inspired his colleagues throughout the period of the course. Thank you very much, Your Excellency.
Chancellor I now request you to confer upon these 29 candidates the master's degree as cited above, and after which you adjourn the academic congregation.
By virtue of the powers vested in me, and knowing that you have satisfied the University of Rwanda requirements in all subjects for which you were enrolled, trained, and examined, I confer upon you the Master of Arts in Security Studies. Congratulations. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, by virtue of the powers vested in me, I hereby declare this congregation of the June 2021 graduation ceremony of the University of Rwanda adjourned. Thank you.
The 47 officers graduating today embarked on this course with a clear understanding of the role of the Rwanda Defense Force as an integral part of our country's identity and transformation journey. You all have a part to play in ensuring that we reach our objectives. You have gained even more capabilities from this course, and therefore more is expected of you. I hope you will step into your new roles with fresh insight and enthusiasm. As 21st century officers, you will operate in a volatile geopolitical and security environment as part of an ever more interconnected world. You know, there's something intriguing when we are talking about lack of security in some aspects. On the one hand, we work in a partnership globally. Again, there is that element of unequal. In that partnership, we get a lot of support, we work together, we address problems in areas where there is lack of security. But at the same time, in our relationships, in the way we do business, we find with one hand, we are helping to deal with matters of security. On the other, we are actually contributing to creating insecurity for countries, including our own. What do I mean? Particularly in our case, there have been even people who graduated like today, as you have, who say run into problems of their own making. Sometimes, in actual fact, problems of criminal nature. And then same people run to countries called our partners, tell a lot of lies. They are welcomed. These same people turn around and actually get involved in acts that cause insecurity for the country. Now, I'm saying this because it has more or less become a trend. And it doesn't matter how much time you take to explain, it seems to go on and on and on with our partners. So I'm just telling our partners that don't help on one hand to deal with problems of security, meaning helping build capabilities and other things, and even support development, which is an integral part here of the broader security we talk about. At the same time, give ground for insecurity to develop that will come and reverse what we have been building together, meaning our countries and then with our partners. So those studies you are talking about, those who undertook security studies, I hope you just didn't go through it in a traditional sense without bringing it to bear on these realities that you and your countrymen and women go through every day.
Mu mezi agera kuri 11 tumaze hano muri iri shuri twahawe ubumenyi bwiyongera kubwo dusanganywe ku byerekeranye no kuyobora ingabo ndetse no gukora neza akazi kacu ka buri munsi. Tukaba twarabonyemo ndetse n'amasomo ajyanye n'umutekano ku rwego rw'igihugu ku mugabane wa Afurika ndetse no ku isi muri rusange. Ibyo rero bikadufasha gukora neza akazi kacu ku rwego rukenewe, dukora neza kandi kugira ngo dutekane mu buryo bwose, yaba ari ku bijyanye n'ubusugire bw'igihugu ndetse n'abaturage muri rusange, kuko akenshi abantu ntago bazi ko umutekano uhungabana bitewe wenda yuko bumva amasasu gusa, ariko twabonye mu buryo bwimbitse yuko umutekano ushingira ku busugire bw'igihugu ndetse cyane cyane ugashingira ku mibereho myiza y'abaturage mu buryo bunyuranye. Navuga iyo abaturage babasha kwivuza, iyo abaturage babasha kurya, iyo abaturage nta biza ngo bibahitane, iyo abaturage babasha guhumeka umwuka mwiza, ibi byose ni mu buryo bunyuranye umutekano ubasha guhungabana. Twabirebeye hamwe rero mu buryo bwimbitse kugira ngo tubashe kubona uburyo tubyitwaramo mu gihe byabaye cyangwa se no kubyitegura bitaraba.
This year has been a year of broadening our horizons as military officers, as senior military officers. We are tasked with dealing with complex issues, understanding the security in its broad sense, and the year we spent here equipped us to deal with security in its all wider sense. And that also is in line with what the Commander-in-Chief stressed, that we need also to look it beyond the traditional way and look at hidden and complex issues.